Hello, everybody. It is 12:20. I just wanted to go over this little system, this little YouTube tutorial, my little wisdom that I've been picking up, the way I do things, and how I would do it better. Like, how did I distill this if I were to do this over again? And I titled it "How You Should Approach YouTube If You Are Just Starting Out." So step one is make the simplest video that you want to make. If you want to make a talking head video, just make a talking head video. You want to make a gaming video, just make a gaming video. Don't even get a camera, don't get a mic. You can do no commentary, you can do commentary, you can do like reviews, you can do whatever. Whatever you want to do for a video, just pick something and just go. Like, if you can't pick, write out, here's another quick tip. If you can't pick something, open up a notepad, think of 10 video ideas. 8, 9, 10, and then, you know, A, B, C, whatever. You know what I mean? Doesn't matter whatever you want to do. That's why I don't want to put anything in here. Whatever you want to do, head over to google.com, random number 1 through 10, and then generate a number. Oh. All right. Roll a number. That's the video you do. Okay. Take your decision out of it. If you're indecisive, just have RNG pick it for you. Anyway, random number generator pick it for you. Anyway, so do it over and over again, adding to it until you hit a video that does what you want based on whatever you want. Think analytics. So track something you care about. So for me, it's like volume. I care about how much I'm doing. I'm not necessarily too concerned with how good it does. I am a little bit, and sometimes a lot of it, but track whatever topics you want, or whatever metrics you want. Do you like analytics? So do you like views? Do you like CTR? Do you like whatever? Do you like volume, just getting a certain amount? Like, does it make you feel good to be consistent? Does it make you feel good about the topic? Like, really, you're really an artist. You want to talk about a topic, whatever metrics you want to track. Once you get to a level you're happy with, start putting limits on what you want to create. Putting limits on your time to create. For instance, I'm putting a 5-minute limit on all my videos to force me to get it done faster. This is just a simple way for you to just cut the chaff. Stop the screwing around. Like, yes, I gave you a little bit of time to mess around and figure stuff out, but eventually you need to set limits on it so that you can start producing on a schedule. And what you do is you put limits on it. So by my 5-minute limit, I mean 5-minute shoot time. I do a lot of prep, or not a lot of prep. I should probably put a limit on my prep time too, because sometimes that gets a little carried away. So scale it up. Once you get to that point where you are hitting that limit, whatever, on the, let's say, 5-minute video, and scale it up. Like me this morning, I will be doing 18 more videos, and this is whatever. Progress the amount of work you do by a little more every day until you hit your limit. And what limits are is depression, cooked brain, questioning everything, being fried, brain fried, can't really think all day. That's me. I'm getting close there, but I just adapt and take a break, and then I do it again and again. You find that your limits grow. It's been working for me. In 1 year, I went from 1 video a day to 20, and I shoot anywhere from 60 to 100 shorts a day. Regardless of what you think about quality, that is irrelevant. I'm working on volume. But yes, so that is my system. I'd like you to do this. So make the simplest video, do it over and over again. Once you get to a level you're happy with, start putting limits on your time, scale it up. And if you do this little simple system, you should increase the amount of volume and your quality should go up. Let me tell you, nobody gets worse at doing more reps, but hopefully this helps you out. Nice, quick, and good luck on your YouTube career. See you later.